Hey there! I'm so excited to be here with you today for us to play a listening game. When anyone is speaking or when you're speaking to someone, you want to be making sure you're thinking about the words that you're saying and if you're listening, the words that you hear. That's what we're going to practice today, the words that we hear when someone is talking to us. Let's say someone said to you, "Dogs bark." Oh, well, you need to pay attention to the words in that sentence. Dogs bark. So think about what two words did you hear in that sentence? Dogs bark. I heard dogs and I heard that bark. Dogs bark. Let's try another one. Let's say someone said to you, "You rock." You rock. Let's think about the words we hear in that sentence. Well, I heard you and I heard rock. You rock. Let's try another one. Let's say someone said to you, "Come play." Say that sentence with me. Come play. Let's try one more time. Come play. What words did you hear? Did you hear come? Let's say that. Come, play, play. Come play is made up of come and play. Very good. Let's say someone said to you, "We read." We read. Let's say that sentence together. We read. What words did you hear in that sentence? What was the first one? We read. Very good. Did you hear we? Did you hear read? If so, you're right. The sentence we read is made up of the words we and read. Let's try one more. Let's say someone said to you, "I jump." What did you hear them say? I jump. Did you hear the words I and jump? If so, you got it right. The sentence I jump is made up of the words I and jump. So remember, when you're listening to someone speaking, make sure you're paying close attention to the words they say. Thanks for playing our listening game, and I'll see you back really soon.